Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we are going to review this product. The product name is handheld steam cleaner. So you should purchase this product or not, and what are the main problems. So my dear friends, I want to tell you one thing only. If you are going to purchase this product on any unofficial website, then you are going to regret, because in today's time hundreds of websites are selling same product and lots of websites are available on internet who are selling same product. So you need to be very careful, because when you purchase this kind of product on any unofficial website, maybe you are not able to return your product once you purchased. Okay, so the best thing you need to, what you have to do, you need to purchase this kind of product only on amazon.com, and once you receive your product you can use this product, and if you are not satisfying then you can also return your product very easily. Okay, so this is my review about this product. Now you can make your own decision, but keep in mind, don't purchase this product on any unofficial website, because in hundreds, or you can say 10 to 15 or 16 websites are selling same type of product. Okay, so be careful and don't purchase these kind of websites. I will provide you this link in our video description box. You can go over there and you can check out. Okay, and if you are going to talking about the pricing and all, the pricing you can see on your, you can say, when you are going to purchase. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.